Hello and welcome to the English Listening Podcast. My name is Lily, and today I'm here with Martin. In this episode, Martin and I will have a conversation about travel. We will talk about choosing a destination, planning a schedule, booking tickets, finding a hotel, and packing. Conversations like this are very important for learning English. When you listen and repeat, you learn natural sentences for real life, and you can use similar sentences when you speak. Now, let's start. Hi, Martin. Do you have a minute?
Hi, Lily. Yes, of course. What's going on?
I really want to take a short trip soon. I feel tired and I need a change. Do you want to plan something together?
That sounds great. I also need a break. Where do you want to go?
I'm not sure yet. I have a few ideas. I'm thinking about a beach town, a mountain village, or maybe a big city for sightseeing.
Okay, let's think about it. What kind of trip do you want? Relaxing or more active?
A mix. I want to relax, but I also want to do a few activities. I don't want to just stay in the hotel.
That makes sense. How many days do you want to travel?
Maybe 3 days, like Friday to Sunday, or even Saturday to Monday if possible.
3 days is perfect for a short trip. Do you prefer somewhere close or somewhere far?
Close, because I don't want to spend the whole day on the road. Maybe 2 to 4 hours away.
Great. Then a beach town could be good, or a small city nearby.
Yes. Also, I want good food. Local food is important for me.
Same. Food can make a trip much better. Do you have a destination in mind?
I heard about a place called Seaside Bay. People say it's calm and beautiful.
Seaside Bay sounds nice. What can we do there?
We can walk by the sea, take photos, eat seafood, and maybe take a small boat tour.
A boat tour sounds fun, but I get a little seasick sometimes.
Oh, really? Then maybe we can choose a short tour, like 30 minutes.
Yes, a short tour is better for me. What about swimming?
If the weather is warm enough, yes. But even if we can't swim, we can still enjoy the beach.
True. The beach is nice even in cool weather.
Exactly. Now let's talk about transportation. How do we get there?
We have a few options: bus, train, or car. Do you want comfort or low cost?
I want a good balance. Train is usually more comfortable than bus, but sometimes it's more expensive.
Yes, and if we go by car, we can stop on the way and be more flexible.
That's true, but driving can be tiring and we need to think about parking.
Good point. If we take the train, we can relax and talk.
I like that idea. Let's check train times first.
Okay. Also, what time do you want to leave?
If we leave early, we can enjoy the first day more, maybe around 7 a.m.
7 a.m. is early, but it's smart. We can arrive before lunch.
Yes, then we can check in, drop our bags, and go out. Speaking of check-in, where will we stay? I want a clean and simple place, not too expensive. Maybe a small hotel or a guest house.
I agree. I don't need luxury. I just want a comfortable bed, a clean bathroom, and a safe place.
Same. Also, I prefer a place with breakfast included.
Me too. Breakfast makes mornings easier.
And I want good reviews. I always read reviews before booking.
Yes, reviews are important, but we should also be careful. Some reviews are not honest.
True, we can focus on the most common comments, like cleanliness and location.
Exactly. And we should check pictures too.
Good idea. I also want a place not too far from the beach.
If it's too close, it might be noisy at night.
That's true. Maybe a 10-minute walk is perfect.
Yes, not far, not too close.
Okay, now let's think about the schedule. What do we want to do each day?
Day 1, arrive, walk around the town, have lunch, and maybe visit the beach in the afternoon.
Yes, and in the evening we can try a local seafood restaurant.
Sounds great, but we should check prices. Some seafood places are expensive.
We can choose a smaller local place, not a tourist restaurant.
Good. Day 2 can be our main activity day.
Like what? Boat tour, maybe?
Maybe. Or we can rent bikes and ride along the coast.
Oh, I love that. A bike ride sounds amazing. But we should check the weather. If it's windy, biking can be hard.
True. If it's windy, we can do something else, like visit a museum or a local market.
A market is always fun. We can buy snacks and souvenirs.
Yes, I like buying small souvenirs like magnets or postcards.
Me too. Also, we should take a lot of photos.
Definitely. I want to make a small travel album later.
Nice. And day 3 can be relaxed. Breakfast, last walk, and go home.
Yes, maybe we can also buy something to take home, like local tea or sweets.
Good idea. My family loves local sweets.
Same. Now let's talk about packing. What should we bring?
Comfortable shoes, a jacket, and a small backpack for daily walks.
Yes, and sunglasses maybe. Also sunscreen, even if it's not very sunny.
True, people forget sunscreen, but it's important. For the beach, we need a towel and maybe flip-flops.
And a swimsuit just in case.
Yes, also phone chargers and a power bank.
Definitely. My phone battery always dies when I take photos.
Same. And don't forget your ID.
Good reminder. Also, do we need cash?
Maybe a little. Some small shops don't take cards.
Okay, we can take some cash, but not too much.
Agreed. Now, what about the budget? How much do you want to spend?
I want to spend reasonably. I want a good trip, but I don't want to waste money.
Same. Let's set a simple budget. Transport, hotel, food, and activities.
Yes, and we can save money by eating a simple lunch and having one nice dinner.
Great plan. Also, we can buy snacks from the market instead of expensive cafes.
Exactly. Now, when should we book everything?
as soon as possible. Tickets can get expensive if we wait.
Yes, especially trains. Let's book today.
Okay, I will check train times and prices now.
And I'll search for hotels with good reviews and breakfast.
Great. Let's share our options in 1 hour.
Deal. I'm already excited.
Me too. I really need this trip.
Same. It will be a nice reset.
One more thing, Martin. What if the weather is bad?
Good question. We need a backup plan.
Like indoor activities.
Yes, we can visit a museum, a cafe, or a local indoor market.
Or we can just relax, drink warm tea, and read.
True. A calm trip is still a good trip.
True. Exactly. Okay, then I'll message you soon with train options.
And I'll message you with hotel options.
Perfect. Talk to you soon.
Talk to you soon.
That's the end of today's travel conversation. Today, Martin and I talked about planning a trip, choosing transport, booking a hotel, making a schedule, packing, and budgeting. Remember, listening again and repeating is very important. When you listen repeatedly, you learn natural sentences for real life, and you can use similar sentences when you speak. Now, let's see you in the next video.